If you are using Microsoft Windows 10 or 11 and ever wanted Office for free, or you do not know anything about like how we can install Office, then just do this. Press Alt, Windows, Ctrl and Shift in your keyboard. And as soon as you press it, you will see Microsoft Office will automatically start. All you need to do is you need to press these 4 buttons and just need to make sure that you are connected to internet. Alright, so this is the only prerequisite and you need to sign in, and you will see you have Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneDrive and all. You will see all these softwares are now available. And when we click here on apps, you're going to see even more application from Microsoft. So that's how we can get Microsoft Office for free with only prerequisite of you need to have internet connection. Subscribe to Technoholic for more such Office related content, and I will see you with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.